What's going on, everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a brand new app that just launched for Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, gig workers, and is providing drivers with guaranteed pay. This is incredible, completely innovative. They also help drivers with tax preparation, financial services. They help drivers everywhere, and no matter what, basically any gig app you use, you can sign in through their app into your gig account. They're telling you where you're making money, and their guaranteed pay feature, drivers absolutely love it because they're actually paying drivers if they don't meet the guaranteed rate. That is in select areas only, but they do have an app nationwide, so I'm gonna link below. And when you do sign up, they're giving you 15 bucks just for signing up when you link your account and your Venmo. So I'm gonna go over it together. But again, please right now, lock in that $15 bonus just for signing up for free. And now let's get started. So this app that we're looking at right now is called Solo. And again, this is a business app for Instacart shoppers, Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, Uber Eats, delivery drivers, any driver. And basically it's perfect for people who use multiple apps or just one app. And as you can see here, they have this guaranteed super popular pay feature where if you go out and do a shift and you don't make that money, the guaranteed amount in that city, they're gonna pay you the difference. And so that guarantee is in Seattle, Miami, Orlando, Tampa, Atlanta, Nashville, Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, and Austin. And I assume, well, I have talked to the team, they do plan to expanding to more areas, but this is the way it works. Know what you'll make. We crunch the numbers using community data to show you how much you can expect to earn at any hour of the week for jobs in your city. We guarantee the predictions you see if you earn less over the course. So the way it works is I believe you sign up and you pay a membership fee in order to qualify for that. But they do have a lot of free features as well. All users who sign up after June 6th will receive 14 days of free access to Solo. After 14 days, users can opt to subscribe to Solo via either the basic or pro plans. For more information on what's included, check our pricing page. Yeah, let's check the pricing page. Take home $5,000 plus more a year for the average app-based worker. This is a no-brainer. No risk, tax deductible, cancel anytime. So basically they're saying that your membership is tax deductible. It's part of your, it's a professional service. I'm not a CPA, I'm not a certified public accountant. Please consult a certified public accountant. But for me, if I'm using this, I'm writing this off of my taxes. I'm getting that tax deduction because it's a professional service. Get a risk-free 14-day trial of Solo and see why tens of thousands of people use Solo to earn more and manage the business of one. Oh, did we mention that a Solo subscription is fully tax deductible? Okay, they're claiming it, okay? I'm not, they are. Start your free trial. So they actually do, as you can see here, they do have a limited free plan, which has a personal income dashboard, custom weekly income reports, and it doesn't have so for $3.99 a month, it has automated mileage tracking, which is really good because actually the IRS just raised that standard IRS standard mileage rate. I believe it's up to 62.5 cents. Is that what it is? Yeah, 62.5 cents per mile now. So if you drive as an Uber driver 50,000 miles a year, which is pretty typical, right? What you want to do is take 50,000 times that by 0.62.5. Sorry, 0.625. And you're looking at an average, so this is $31,250 of a tax deduction, meaning that, the way it works, again, I'm not a CPA, but that you're gonna pay taxes on your gross amount minus $31,250. Basically, you're gonna pay less. Yeah, you're gonna save basically taxes on 31. No, sorry. You're gonna pay less. You're gonna pay 31. I don't know. Contact it, please. Get an accountant. Okay, I'm not an accountant, but basically you're gonna save a ton of money. Potentially basically $30,000 if you are tracking your miles correctly. And honestly, $50,000, 50,000 miles for an Uber driver isn't even, like, that's for a full-time driver. Some people are putting in 100,000 miles. You could potentially be saving 60 grand in taxes just for paying $3.99 a month. And they're giving you federal tax projections as well. So they're like showing you your expenses. This thing is really awesome, guys. And obviously for $7.99, that's when you're getting into the guaranteed pay feature. But $7.99 a month, you know, that you could easily get that back in one day. So it's pretty cool. I mean, I do really like what they're doing. It's, again, this is like a new innovative thing. Definitely check it out. Again, it's in these areas, the guaranteed feature, or the pro plan, but the basic is nationwide and the free app is nationwide. So yeah, and like I said, they have a really awesome team. They have a blog. They have really cool articles and everything. And when you use our link below, they're gonna send you $15 just for signing up and getting started, because they wanna get a ton of people here on the platform. So thanks for watching, guys. Sign up with my link below and I'll talk to you. And let me know what you think. You know, let me know if you like it. Obviously it's free, so you can sign up and give me your honest feedback. And I would love to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about Solo? I think it's really cool. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.